Long ago, in a deserted village near a vast desert, there lived an old man with his 3 sons. He had 17 camels, his primary source of income, as he rented them for desert trips. One day, the old man passed away, leaving behind a will that included instructions for his camels. After the funeral, the 3 sons gathered to read the will. Their father had divided the 17 camels differently. Since 17 is an odd prime number, it couldn't be easily split. The will stated that the eldest son should receive half of the 17 camels, the second son 1/3, and the youngest 1/9. This puzzled the sons, as it was impossible to divide 17 camels in such a way. After days of discussion without a solution, they went to a wise man for help. The wise man listened and immediately proposed an idea. He asked them to bring all the camels to him. The sons gathered the camels, and the wise man added one of his own, making the total 18 camels.
He then told the eldest son to read the will again. Half of 18 camels was 9, so the eldest son received 9 camels. The second son's share, 1/3 of 18, equaled 6 camels. After that, the youngest son took 1/9, which was 2 camels.
Together, the sons had 9 plus 6 plus 2 equals 17 camels, just as they'd inherited. The wise man then took back his camel. Through his intelligence, the wise man solved the problem by using a fresh approach, showing that every challenge has a solution if we look for common ground.